to our assembly video. Today we're going to be putting together our reading nook with bookshelves. Follow along to learn how to build this fun product. To begin, connect parts 4, 5, and 6, aligning the dowels with their holes and then securing with screws as shown here. Repeat these steps to complete both shelves. Now take part 3 and align with either side of the book nook. I'm connecting part 3 to part 1. If you're assembling this unit yourself, a helpful tip is to rest these parts against another piece of furniture to help you when securing these pieces together. Begin aligning your lower shelf and secure with screws. Once your lower shelf is secure, your unit should be able to balance on its own. Now attach your upper shelf. Remember to secure the back screw and the side screws. Now bring the second side of your book nook, in this case part 2, and begin securing with screws. Bring in part 7 and begin securing with screws on either side. Finish off your book nook with these comfy foam pieces and the assembly of your book nook is complete.